Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Google Calendar with Claude. To begin, open Claude and go to the new chat page. Starting from a fresh chat is helpful because it gives you a clean workspace and makes it easier to find the tools you need without distractions. Once you're there, take a moment to look at the message box area near the bottom of the screen, since that's where the connector options are usually accessed. Next, click the plus sign attached to the text box. This button opens additional options beyond simply typing a message. If you don't notice it right away, look carefully around the chat input area, as small interface buttons can sometimes blend into the layout. After that, select Add Connector. This is the option that allows Claude to link with external services, including tools like Google Calendar. Connectors help Claude work with information from other apps, which can make tasks like scheduling, reviewing events, or referencing your calendar much more convenient. Once the connector menu opens, click Browse Connectors. This will take you to the full list of available integrations. If you see several options, don't worry. You only need to find the one related to calendar for this setup. Now use the search bar and type calendar. Searching is the fastest way to narrow the list, especially if there are many connectors available. As you type, the matching result should appear, making it easier to locate the correct integration without scrolling through everything manually. When you see calendar in the results, click on it. This opens the connector page where you can review the option and prepare to link it to Claude. Before moving ahead, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that you've selected the correct calendar service so the setup goes smoothly. From there, click Connect and follow the on-screen procedure. This part usually includes signing in to your Google account if needed and approving the required permissions so Claude can work with your calendar. Read each screen carefully before continuing, especially when permission prompts appear, so you understand what access is being granted. Once you finish the prompts, the connection should be complete. At that point, Claude will be linked to your Google Calendar and ready to use within supported workflows. If the connector does not appear right away, give it a few moments and refresh the page if necessary. And that's it. You've successfully connected Google Calendar with Claude.